Hi, today we're going to talk about the best sales techniques and how to sell to anyone. Most people don't like to sell, and some are even terrified of selling. But here are 3 keys to build customer loyalty. You can learn the one skill that will transform your business, and that is building a relationship with your client. Relationships come first when we're trying to sell. There's the key difference between keeping a customer or that client going to our competition. One way to achieve this is through consultative selling. Approach your client as a consultant will help solve their problems, and don't try to focus on selling the client. Focus on building a relationship of trust, and your client will eventually become loyal. Keep your customers happy, and they will buy from you again and again and again. Because a satisfied customer, statistically, is 15 times easier to sell to again in the future, and the acquisition cost is 0. Referrals from existing happy and satisfied clients are easier to sell to, and sometimes relationships are much more important than the product itself. I mean, if there's a strong enough bond with your customer, they simply won't buy from anyone else. After all, if your competitor has a similar product, or maybe even a better product, why should they buy from you? The key is to help your customers solve their problem. Acquiring new customers is expensive, and it's inefficient for a business to grow. We need to remember 3 things. The key to selling is building a relationship with your customer. Use a consultative selling approach, and always keep your customers satisfied. Thanks for listening.